As a homeowner in Mandeville, the comfort and energy efficiency of your home are likely top priorities. From the sweltering summer heat to the occasional cool breeze of winter, your home's ability to maintain a comfortable temperature year-round is directly tied to how well your windows perform. While often overlooked, windows are one of the most important components of your home, playing a significant role in both your comfort and energy efficiency. Windows not only allow natural light to flood your living spaces but also help regulate the temperature inside your home. If your windows are outdated, inefficient, or damaged, they can lead to increased energy consumption and uncomfortable living conditions. This is why choosing the right windows and ensuring they are in good condition is essential for Mandeville homeowners. In this article, we'll explore why windows in Mandeville are crucial for home comfort and energy efficiency, and how the right windows can improve your living experience and reduce energy costs. Windows and home comfort. Regulating temperature. Mandeville's climate can be unpredictable, with hot, humid summers and mild winters. Windows play a major role in temperature regulation within your home. Poorly insulated windows or windows that have worn out seals allow heat to escape during the winter and let hot air in during the summer, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This leads to an overworked HVAC system, which can result in high energy bills and an uncomfortable living space. When you invest in energy-efficient windows, you're helping regulate the internal temperature of your home. Modern double-glazed or triple-glazed windows provide superior insulation by trapping air between the panes of glass, creating an insulating barrier. This helps keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, making your living space more comfortable while reducing the need for constant air conditioning or heating. Energy efficiency. Reducing utility bills. Windows are one of the largest contributors to energy loss in your home. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, about 30% of a home's heating and cooling energy is lost through windows that are inefficient or improperly sealed. This loss can lead to skyrocketing utility bills, especially during extreme weather conditions. By replacing old, drafty windows with energy-efficient windows, you can significantly reduce this energy loss. Low emissivity, glass coatings, double or triple glazing, and argon or krypton gas fills between window panes work together to minimize heat transfer, keeping the inside temperature stable. These energy-efficient features help your HVAC system maintain the desired temperature without working overtime, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced utility costs. UV protection and fade reduction. In addition to temperature regulation, windows also help protect your interior furnishings from the harmful effects of ultraviolet (UV) rays. Sunlight can cause fading and deterioration of furniture, carpets, curtains, and artwork, which is particularly noticeable in homes with large windows that let in a lot of light. Energy-efficient windows often come with a low E coating, which reflects UV rays while still allowing visible light to pass through. This means your windows can block up to 99% of UV rays, helping protect your belongings from fading and deterioration over time. By investing in these windows, you'll not only improve your home's energy efficiency but also extend the life of your furniture and decorations. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Mandeville can be a busy area, especially in certain neighborhoods where noise from traffic, construction, or nearby businesses can intrude on your peace and quiet. If you find that outside noise is seeping into your home, it may be time to upgrade your windows. Double-glazed windows or windows with laminated glass are designed to offer soundproofing benefits by reducing the amount of noise that enters your home. These windows help create a quieter living environment, which is especially beneficial if you live near a busy street or an area with high traffic noise. By improving your home's sound insulation, you can enjoy a more peaceful, tranquil atmosphere inside your home. Improved home value and curb appeal. Windows also play a key role in your home's curb appeal and overall aesthetic. Outdated, damaged, or poorly maintained windows can detract from the beauty of your home's exterior, lowering its overall value. On the other hand, new, modern windows can dramatically enhance the appearance of your home, making it look more polished, stylish, and well-maintained. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can significantly increase your home's market value. Potential buyers often look for homes with modern amenities and energy-efficient features, making your home more attractive if you decide to sell in the future. By replacing your windows, you're not only improving your living experience but also making a smart investment in your property's long-term value. Environmental impact. Reducing your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows are not only good for your wallet, they're also great for the environment. By reducing the amount of energy your home consumes, you're helping lower your carbon footprint and contribute to environmental sustainability. The less energy you use to heat and cool your home, the fewer fossil fuels are burned, which helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. Choosing energy-efficient windows is one of the simplest and most impactful steps you can take to make your home more eco-friendly. Conclusion. Windows in Mandeville are a critical factor in ensuring home comfort and energy efficiency. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient options can help regulate the temperature in your home, lower your utility bills, protect your interior furnishings from UV damage, and even reduce outside noise. Additionally, new windows can enhance your home's curb appeal, increase its value, and contribute to a more sustainable living environment. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a professional window replacement company in Mandeville to explore the best options for your home. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and eco-friendly living space for years to come.